Leonardo AI and Openart AI, two popular tools for generating stunning AI art. But which one is better in 2025? In this video, I'll compare the features, quality, pricing, and usability, and reveal which one truly deserves your time. Let's jump right in. Overview. Leonardo AI is known for its professional-grade image generation, offering tools for concept art, character design, and textures, making it a favorite among game designers and artists. On the other hand, Openart AI focuses on accessibility. It's built for creators who want a simple, fast way to create AI art, try different models, and even remix existing images from the community. Features. Leonardo AI gives you advanced features like prompt generation, fine-tuning, image upscaling, and a huge library of community models. You can even train custom styles, perfect for consistent branding or unique artwork. OpenArt AI, however, shines with its massive model library. Over 1,000 models from platforms like Stable Diffusion. It also has an excellent prompt search tool that lets you find real prompts used by others, so you can easily recreate or improve their results. Quality and speed. In terms of quality, Leonardo AI's images often look more refined and ready for professional use, especially in lighting and detail. OpenArt AI is faster and more flexible for quick experimentation, but sometimes results need extra editing or refinement. Pricing and accessibility. Leonardo AI offers a free plan with limited credits, and paid tiers start around $12 per month for more generations and higher resolution. OpenArt AI also has a free option, but premium plans are cheaper, usually around $10 monthly, making it slightly more budget friendly. Conclusion. So, which one wins? If you are a professional artist, designer, or game developer, Leonardo AI is the clear winner, more polished and powerful. But if you are a casual creator or beginner who loves exploring different models and styles, OpenArt AI gives you incredible variety and value. Either way, both platforms are great. It just depends on your creative goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new comparison video.